Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm sharing my thoughts about OpenShot Video Editor. While it's a free and open source video editing software, there are some aspects that really bug me. So let's dive into the 5 things I don't like about OpenShot Video Editor. First off, I'm disappointed that OpenShot Video Editor isn't a portable software. This means you need to install it on your computer, which can be a hassle if you're working on multiple machines or prefer to keep your software lightweight. On the other hand, some other video editing software like Shotcut and Olive Video Editor offer portable versions, which is a huge plus in my book. Installing applications can slow down Windows because they consume system resources, run background processes, and create registry entries, leading to disk fragmentation, driver conflicts, and slower startup times. This can ultimately result in a sluggish and unresponsive system that takes longer to boot up and complete tasks. Next up, the user interface of OpenShot Video Editor. The design is outdated, cluttered, and just plain ugly. I know aesthetics aren't everything, but a modern, visually appealing UI can make a big difference in the user experience. OpenShot 3.2 introduces a new Cosmic Dust scheme, available as a preview to gather feedback. This updated UI design and workflow features new toolbars, icons, a more compact timeline, and relocated undo or redo buttons. This is an important step in the right direction. Still, the UI and UX should be improved. In comparison to other video editors like CapCut, Open Video Editor is just plain difficult to use. The menus are cluttered, the options are confusing, and it takes a lot of trial and error to figure out how to do even the simplest tasks. I think the developers could do a better job of streamlining the interface and making it more intuitive. The last thing that I like to talk in this video is my experience frequent crashes and slow performance with Open Video Editor. This is frustrating when you're in the middle of a project and the software just freezes or closes unexpectedly. I've lost count of how many times I've had to restart the software or even my entire computer because of Open Video Editor's instability. If you have had other experiences with OpenShot Video Editor and you are happy and satisfied with the software, don't let me discourage you. Keep using the tool and create great videos if it fits for you, but if you share my opinion, feel free to look around for alternatives. So that's basically it for today's video. I hope you have enjoyed watching it as I did creating it. See you in the next video.